Hello everyone, my name is Vadini. I am from RPIIT College, Karnal. Today we are going to learn about the push function which is being applied in the stack. Before starting, we'll start with what is the stack. Stack is a linear data structure that follows LIFO, that is last in first out. This means that the last element added to the stack will be the first one removed. What is push function? These are the basic operations. Insert an element onto the stack. The push function adds a new element into the top of the stack, and the new node is created. The new node links to the points to the current node of the stack. So this is the program. It starts using linked list, and we'll learn about the push function. We'll straightly go to the push function. So the function push adds a new element. This is view function where we can see the latest update what we have done in the stack. This is the push function. The function push adds, or we can say pushes a new element to the top of the stack. In a linked list implementation of a stack, this means the insertion of a new node at the beginning of the list. Let's break down this code, this function only. As we have given in the starting only void make push, that means we are making a function new node equal to struct node star malloc size of struct node. We'll dissect first what is malloc. So this allocates the memory for this node dynamically. And this is a typecast to convert the returned void star from the malloc to a pointer of type construct node. This one, construct node. Let's move on. Then we will what it is doing here. It prompts the user to enter an integer and %d we are considering, and stores the entered value into the field of a new node. Then what we have done, new node is used as to link the field and equal to first, which means it sets the link field and the pointer. This is a point we are pointer to the next node of the new node to point the current top of the stack. That means first. We are making a node which is considering as first. Then first equal to new node, which means it updates the first pointer to the new top node, which is new node at the top of the stack. Let's run this program. So here, when we put push, when we select one, that means we are doing the operation called push, and we are entering the element in the stack, that is 34. If we want to see view, I'll make another video for view also, different function. Then we'll see the result if it is coming or not by doing the 3 option. So let's add one more element. Enter element, we're putting 77th value. Then again, we'll see in the view if it is coming. So these in the stack, we have 77 and 34 elements we have pushed. This is it for the video. Like our channel, to like and subscribe.